Sanibona. Yazi ngisanda kuvuka ebuthongweni nje. And I'm actually thinking about lobugebengu obukhona la eMzansi. Angoba la eMzansi bafana ubugebengu bume ngenyawo. I-injustice ime ngenyawo. Ngifuna nje ukukhuluma ngalo muntu lo makhelwane lo. Now. Omunye angazibuza ukuthi umuzi wabani lo. Lo idladla lika Sello, idladla lika Sello leli. Nani? Uma umazi uSello uMalema nani? Nali idladla lakhe. Uyayibo. Nani? Umakhelwane lo uyayizwa. So bengicabanga nje indaba yakhe uSello Malema ukuthi yena he was found guilty, unecala elibhekane naye, and he was found guilty by the court. Julius Malema was found guilty by the court. He went through trial, he went through court, he went through all these steps. Kodwa because there is injustice in South Africa, Malema was supposed to be jailed, but he was not jailed. Manje umbuzo umile ukuthi kungani yena angaboshwanga uMalema. Sakubona ngoJacob Zuma, uJacob Zuma bamthwesa amacala akhe, yena bambopha, futhi okubhlungu uZuma ukuthi waboshwa engadlulanga through i-trial. Waboshwa, he had to face his sentence. But uMalema akaboshiwe. Kungani? Ngizoyindlala nje ukuze uyi-understand. uMalema ulwa nongezwe. uMalema utshele inkantolo ukuthi he's got the loudest voice to reprimand labantu abakhoza i-chaos la eSouth Africa. Uphakela Mthakathi nongezwe. So uMalema, he's not in prison simply because he still has to fight nongezwe. Angazi ukuthi niyangizwa na. Yena uMalema, his only duty right now is to ensure ukuthi ungizwe, it's either uyayistopa lento akayenzayo noma uyaboshwa. Umsebenzi kaMalema loyo. That is how injustice the system is. Hlala nabo mfethu, nabo umuzi wakhe. Khohlwa ngalo ole elokunjeni eHyde Park. Ngikhuluma ngale ngekhaya lakhe, umuzi wakhe qobo wawo. Now umuzi kaMalema now mowuwazi kahle lo seParkmore now yiwo lo umakhelwane. Akuhlali umuntu lana, kuhlala nje ama-bodyguard akhe nayo unokufika nje edlule. Kodwa lento le yalamahunta yalamagunza la eMzansi, South Africa does not belong to South Africans, and there will never be justice for South Africans. South Africa is run by amahunta, run by gangsters. South Africa is owned by gangsters. Wena mawusathi usazolungisa izwe, baba, let me tell you brother, I'm against illegal immigrants. Anyone that is here illegally ngokungemthetho, I'm against that person. But iqiniso limile lithi municipal officials, a lot of municipal officials are working hand in hand nalama Nigerians nama drug dealer. Sabona ngathi kukhona lento lena ekuthiwa sizokuthola. Sayibona umfoka Khumalo ebabamba bekhiphana bodwa, and then his conclusion was ama-councillors are involved, ama-mayors are involved, ama-officials lawa phezulu are involved, and ama-big dogs ase-parliament. So uma ngabe utshela ukuthi yebo kona umtsizwa buyasiza, kodwa iSouth Africa abaholi bakhona bazama ukuncela umtsizwa noma izinsizwa lezi ekhona bancela amandla ezinsizwa lezi ekhona, bese bebasigcoba ngani ngamacala ukuze bebe abantu ababi before society. And then what happens? Beqhubeke bona igebengu zidla imali zimosha izwe ngoba vele kunje. Kodwa nje the only reason why ungizwe, why uJulius Malema engaboshwanga is simply because kusamele ukuthi ameke sure ukuthi ungizwe uyaboshwa. and his voice is gonna be heard, because it's gonna convince millions ukuthi uNgizwe uyabheda, ukuthi uPhakela Mthakathi uyabheda, and convince the court ukuthi uNgizwe kufanele ukuthi aboshwe, ngoba umvulele icala kumanje ugijima inkantolo uNgizwe. uMalema wayena engabhadlakanga ejele ngoba he's supposed to be in jail. Angithi I also thought ukuthi uMalema was a great leader, but until ngithola ukuthi uMalema ufumbathiswa uRupert. uMalema ufumbathiswa uRupert, ufumbathisa imali ama-billions yokuthi nje yena ecause i-havoc elungise la kumele elungise khona, ecause i-havoc la kumele ecause i-havoc khona for political sake. Yisende le ndlela madoda.
Wenganza kwethu angeke ngishoni. Ngabe ngirong yini ngoba ngifikelwa naye imizwa yokuthi lo baba lo uJulius Malema lokugula kumthatha nini? Ngirong yini mangibuza lo mbuzo lo. Lo baba waboshwa, wanikezwa isigwebo, useva nini leso sigwebo? Ngiyakhumbula kuthiwa kuzoba ne-appeal, lo appeal sekuthulekile nje ngaye, ngoba phela into ayenza njengamanje usibangela umsindo, uyasihlukumeza njengezwe. Mina ngikhohliwe ukuthi uMalema uyena oyisizathu sokuqala sokuthi ubaba uJacob Zuma akhishwe esikhundleni sakhe, okuyena president obesimele thina abantu abamnyama, noma engekho perfect kodwa bengasiphilisi lempilo esiphilayo njengamanje. Petrol kuningi. Number 2, lo baba lo usethinteka entweni eziningi ezobuqhophololo, and lamabharetha abovu amunca ubuchopho nengqondo yokucabanga kanye nabalandeli bakhe abamkhulumelayo vele bazolwa mabebona le video. Ingakho ngibuza ukuthi lo baba ngempela ugula kwakho kumthatha nini? Okay ke mangenzeki lokho uboshwa nini, useva nini sentence yakhe? Wezwa phela kuthiwa ngezwe kuthiwa aphila, kwathuleka manje kwenze njani? Angadlalwa ngasi madoda, angadlalwa ngathi. Lo muntu lo uyisitha, uJulius Malema uyisitha to ama-South Africans, and it's obvious, wonke umuntu uyakubona, even ama-members e-EFF nabalandeli bonke bayakubona lokho ukuthi uMalema uyawazonda ama-South Africans, noma singazi ukuthi samdlelani, kodwa akasifuni lo muntu mfethu. Yezwa, lo muntu usebenza nabantu abamhlophe for years, iphathi yakhe i-funded by abantu abamhlophe. Uyayibona leyo nto le. Bese fika la kuthina azozenza i-Pan-Africanism, umuntu nje aphinda azenza umuntu othanda olwela abantu abamnyama. Ixoki leli, kodwa nizolibona already vele seliyayiveza. Ixoki leli.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kunabhodi lo-circulator kwelapha enkundleni yokuxhumana labonakala akhombise indlu laklema ukuthi indlu yakamakhelwane indlu lebhilonga kuJulius Malema. Uyishuthile le ndlu efaka lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, akhuluma ngaye uJulius Malema how corrupt he is, nangokuthi kufuneka yadonsa sigwebo sakhe, ukuthi kufuneka nje aboshwe for maqala la wendile, ukuthi uMalema une-corruption ngendlela lesimanga. Bantu bahlala ema-mansion, bahlala etindlini leti-right, bahlala etindlini letikhulu, but aku-corruption. Uthi le ndlu lena yakhe Malema, because there were people who were saying ukuthi ayibo sindlu yaMalema musleyo. Uthi le ndlu le yakhe Malema, but akahlali kuye kuhlala ama-security akhe lana, but naye Malema uyafika once in a while ado-check-a la kule ndlu. Uthi makayebuka kena uJulius Malema wakodwa wagana lonwabo, wahamba ubhala lapha kuTwitter Wathi, please get me his details, confirm if he owns any property. Uthi ufuna ma-details akhe phela lo bhodi and abaconfirmele ukuthi khona i-property into bhodi la i-ownako. Now people are saying ukuthi uyitholile le attention le bekayifuna kuMalema. We don't know ukuthi uMalema ufuna kumendano mhlawumbe ufuna kumsuka. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.